Unlock extra cash top side hustles of 2025. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dan coming at you with a brand new video. Today, we're diving into the top side hustles of 2025 that are making waves and changing lives. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or you're aiming to completely transform your financial situation, this video is for you. So grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to take notes on these game-changing opportunities. Did you know that some people are making over $10,000 a month on the side? That's right, folks. We're talking about serious money that can make a real difference in your life. Imagine being able to pay off your debts, save for a dream vacation, or even invest in your future. The possibilities are endless when you have an extra stream of income. I'm talking straight cash on top of their regular jobs. These side hustles are not just about making a few extra bucks. They are about creating financial freedom and giving you the flexibility to live life on your own terms. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or someone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, there's something here for everyone. Imagine what an extra 10 grand could do for your life. Paying off bills, that dream vacation, maybe even investing in something amazing. You could finally take that trip you've always wanted, start a new hobby, or even put a down payment on a house. The opportunities are endless when you have the financial freedom to make choices that align with your dreams and goals. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to unlock some serious money-making potential, then you gotta check out this video, because I'm about to drop the hottest side hustles of 2025. From online businesses to gig economy jobs, these side hustles are designed to fit into your lifestyle and help you achieve your financial goals. So stay tuned, because you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's get started and unlock your potential for financial success. We're living in a whole new world, guys. The traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only path to financial stability or career satisfaction. In fact, more and more people are turning to side hustles to supplement their income, explore their passions, and even build entirely new careers. Gone are the days of being stuck in a dead-end job, praying for a raise that might never come. The corporate ladder is no longer the only way to climb to success. People are realizing that they don't have to be confined to a cubicle or a single career path. The gig economy is booming, and it's giving everyone the chance to be their own boss and rake in some serious cash. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to escape the monotony of a traditional job, there's a side hustle out there for you. From freelance writing to virtual assisting, the opportunities are endless. You can leverage your existing skills or learn new ones to create a side hustle that fits your lifestyle and goals. Online tutoring to social media managing, the digital age has opened up a plethora of avenues for making money. You can teach a language, manage social media accounts, or even offer consulting services from the comfort of your home. There are literally thousands of ways to make money on your own terms. You can sell handmade crafts, develop apps, or even become a content creator on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. The possibilities are as diverse as the people pursuing them. And the best part, most of these side hustles require little to no upfront investment. You don't need a fancy office or expensive equipment to get started. Many successful side hustlers began with just a laptop and a dream. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and that fire in your belly to succeed. With determination and a bit of creativity, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business. So why wait? The time to start is now. Let's be real for a second, guys. Life can be expensive. Rent, groceries, bills, that daily coffee fix, it all adds up, and sometimes that 9-to-5 paycheck just doesn't cut it. You're stuck living paycheck to paycheck, stressing about money and putting your dreams on hold, but it doesn't have to be this way. Side hustles are the key to breaking free from the shackles of financial stress and living the life you deserve. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or just have some breathing room in your budget. That's what side hustles can do for you. Chapter 3, the side hustle goldmine. Okay, let's dive into some of the hottest side hustles of 2025. The world of side hustles has evolved dramatically over the past few years, offering more opportunities than ever before. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or hoping to eventually turn your side gig into a full-time career, there's something out there for everyone. First up, we have e-commerce. This is one of the most popular side hustles today, and for good reason. The internet has made it incredibly easy to reach a global audience, and with the right products and marketing strategy, you can build a successful online business from the comfort of your home. With platforms like Shopify and Etsy, it's never been easier to start your own online store and sell products directly to customers worldwide. These platforms provide all the tools you need to set up your store, manage inventory, and process payments. Plus, they offer a variety of marketing tools to help you reach your target audience. Whether you're into handmade crafts, vintage clothing, or digital products, there's a market for everything. Handmade crafts can include anything from jewelry to home decor, while vintage clothing appeals to fashion enthusiasts looking for unique pieces. Digital products, such as ebooks, printables, and online courses, are also in high demand. Next, we have freelance writing and editing. This side hustle is perfect for those who have a way with words and enjoy creating content. Freelance writers can work on a variety of projects, including blog posts, articles, website content, and even ghostwriting books. Editors, on the other hand, focus on refining and polishing content to ensure it's error-free and engaging. If you've got a knack for words, then this side hustle is perfect for you. The demand for quality content is higher than ever, and businesses are always on the lookout for talented writers and editors to help them communicate their message effectively. Plus, freelance writing and editing offer the flexibility to work from anywhere and set your own schedule. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for content creation, copywriting, and more. These platforms make it easy to find work, build a portfolio, and establish a reputation in the industry. Plus, they offer a variety of tools to help you manage your projects and communicate with clients. And let's not forget about the booming world of social media management. Social media has become an essential part of any business's marketing strategy, and there's a growing demand for experts who can help brands build their online presence. Businesses are always on the lookout for social media gurus to manage their online presence, create engaging content, and grow their following. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing metrics to ensure your strategies are effective. This side hustle offers a lot of creative freedom and the opportunity to work with a variety of clients. Chapter 4. The NFT craze. Now, for the side hustle that's taking the world by storm, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are digital assets that represent ownership of unique items like artwork, music, or even tweets. And people are making a killing selling them. Just ask that guy who sold his cat meme as an NFT for millions. While the NFT market can be volatile, it's an incredibly exciting space with huge earning potential. If you're creative and have a knack for spotting trends, then creating and selling NFTs could be your ticket to financial freedom. Chapter 5. Unlock your earning potential. So, there you have it, guys. These are just a few of the amazing side hustles that can help you unlock extra cash and take control of your financial future. Remember, the key is to choose something that you're passionate about and that aligns with your skills and interests. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech wizard, or a wordsmith extraordinaire, there's a side hustle out there for you. The possibilities are truly endless. Outro. What's your side hustle? So, which side hustle are you most fired up about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're serious about boosting your income and achieving financial freedom, then make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I'll be dropping more videos with killer money-making strategies, tips for starting your own business, and inspiring stories of people who are crushing it in the side hustle game. Don't forget, the only thing standing between you and your dream life is that first step. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and make it happen.